Hey there folks, today I want to share something pretty cool with you. There's this platform I've come across that lets you mine Ethereum for free. Yeah, you heard it right, no deposits needed. Stick around and I'll walk you through it step by step. The link is in the video description, so go ahead and check that out. Now this platform is called Viper.io and it's a cloud mining setup. It's not one of those complicated deals. It lets you mine Dogecoin, Binance Coin, Ethereum, Tron, Bitcoin and more. What caught my eye is the 4.5% welcome bonus they're throwing in. You can start mining without dropping a single dime. It's been running for a solid 72 days with over 86,000 users, an invested amount of $228,000 plus, and they've paid out over $1 million. Legit, right? So you can claim your free bonus and even pull in up to a 6% daily income. I've personally given it a shot and mined some free Ethereum, made a withdrawal too pretty smooth process. Setting up is a breeze. Just hit the link, create your account with a username, email and password. Solve the little robot check and boom, you get a free $4.50 welcome bonus. Now, let me log in real quick and show you how you can get your mining game on. No deposits, just free Ethereum. Once you're in, your bonus turns into mining power. I've got 61,026 VLP ready to roll. To kick off your mining, scroll down to Ethereum, slide that button to 100% and watch your Ethereum start rolling in. It's using a nifty 500 VLP free miner. Feel like boosting your game? You can reinvest your balance without dropping any extra cash. Click on reinvest and you're good to go. I just did that and my mining power shot up. When you're ready to cash in, head to the withdrawal option, click on Trust Wallet or your chosen crypto wallet, and there you go. Minimum withdrawal for Ethereum is 0.8 ETH. So that's the lowdown. Share your link, get some commission, and enjoy the ride. Drop a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Until next time, take it easy, folks.